In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Lark. If you're switching devices, troubleshooting an issue, or simply stepping away from work, signing out cleanly ensures your notifications pause and your account stays secure. I'll walk you through the process and add a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, open the Lark app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection since the app may briefly sync before you leave your account. If the app has been running in the background for a while, it can help to bring it to the foreground so everything is up to date before you sign out. Once Lark is open, head to your profile area. Depending on your version, you'll see this labeled as Profile, Me, or My Lark. On many phones, this appears as a tab at the bottom right of the screen. In some layouts, you might access it by tapping your avatar in the top corner. The goal is the same. You're opening your personal account page where app settings live. Inside the profile page, scroll down toward the bottom. You're looking for the option that says Log Out or Sign Out. The exact wording can vary slightly by region or app version, but it will be clearly related to leaving your current session. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. This option is often placed beneath other account and settings items. When you tap Log Out or Sign Out, Lark will ask you to confirm. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental sign-outs. Go ahead and tap Confirm. The app will process your request and return you to the sign-in screen. Here's what happens next. You'll no longer receive notifications from this account on this device, and you'll need to sign back in to access your messages, docs, and meetings. Your content remains safely stored in the cloud with your organization or account. Logging out does not delete data. If you had offline files or downloaded content, you may need to re-download them after you sign back in. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you use multiple Lark accounts, make sure you're in the right one before you sign out. The profile page usually shows which workspace you're viewing. If your company uses single sign-on, be aware that logging out of Lark doesn't necessarily sign you out of your identity provider in a web browser. And when you sign back in later, have your credentials ready and recheck your notification preferences if needed. That's all there is to it. Open Lark, go to your profile, tap Log Out, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.